Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Frankly, I've been watching this for some time, and I'm actually quite happy with the exodus because the junk has left the Congress party and has gone elsewhere. We now have a very solid group of candidates. We've got young people, we've got dynamic people. We made a commitment to the people of Goa. The people of Goa said, don't have defectors. So we said we're not going to have a single defector, and we kept our promise. So it is our intention to be a government that listens to the people of Goa. We understand that the people of Goa have a vision for themselves. They have beliefs. We want to listen to those beliefs. We want to understand that vision, and together we want to build Goa. It's important to understand what happened there. Right? What happened there was that the BJP stole the mandate of the people of Goa. Right? The Congress party had won the election, and BJP used corruption, money, to buy that election. Well, this time we are going to be extremely careful, and we are going to move immediately the minute the election is over. I think the Congress party is going to sweep this election, right? So I think that question is not going to arise at all. But regardless, the minute the election is declared, we will be forming the government. We have a sitting CM in Punjab, and the political Punjab basically asked us to do that, to declare the CM. It's not the need here. It's not the need in Uttarakhand.